Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem, class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online class and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I'm going to conduct your English grammar class and it will be the revision class. Fine. Now let's come to the date. Today the date is 13th January 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Okay, grade 2. Today the topic of our interest is verbs. Today we'll focus on verbs. Okay, what are verbs? Verbs are words which show an action. यानी कोई भी काम यानी कोई भी वर्ड जो कि एक्शन को शो करे, कोई भी एक्शन, फिजिकल एक्शन, ठीक है ना, उसमें फिजिकल एक्शन भी हो सकता है, मेंटल एक्शन भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. दैट इज दोज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड वर्ब्स. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी ओवर हियर दीज टू पिक्चर्स आर हियर. इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर द बेबी इज क्रॉलिंग, ठीक है ना. क्रॉलिंग मीन्स जो क्रॉल करते हैं ज़मीन पर, जो क्रॉलिंग करते हैं. सो क्रॉलिंग शोज एन एक्शन. फाइन. And second picture you can see the plane's picture is there. The plane was flying, so flying shows an action. Fine. Okay, now class, you can see a number of pictures over here. Let's see what they are doing. Drop means कोई चीज हाथ से गिर जाना, so it shows an action. Pick up means उठाना. Work means काम करना, it also shows an action. See, all the people are there doing something, ठीक है ना. So these all are action words, action verb, like they are verbs. Work. Now number, this picture is there, you can see the lady is making the boy sleep. Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle means to show the affectionate feeling, यानी किसी को प्यार की, यानी प्यार से जैसे सुलाते ना, आपकी मामा आपको सुलाती होंगी, that is what we say cuddle. Now this is here dream means dream also shows an action, ठीक है, but here your mental work is there. Wake up. Now the boy is like he's going to wake up from his bed, it also shows an action. Fine. Ride a bike चलाना, ये भी एक एक्शन है, ठीक है. फाइट करने में फिजिकल एक्शन होता है. स्विम ऑल्सो शोज एन एक्शन. जो पानी में तैरना होता है उसको स्विम कहते हैं. Okay, now you can see another picture over here. Cry. Now you can see this boy is crying, रो रहा है, ठीक है. It also shows an action. Laugh means हंसना. The lady is laughing, it also shows an action. Climb means ऊपर चढ़ना, ठीक है ना. So it also shows an action. Here the lady is cooking, so cook also shows an action. Wait means किसी का इंतजार करना, it also shows an action. And watch television when you're watching television, it also shows an action. Fine. Okay, class 2, you can see a list of words are here. Okay, class, here are a list of words over here. Fine. So you don't have to do any written work over here. This is just an oral activity. Fine. Circle the verbs, it is written here, but you don't have to circle, you just have to find them out, sort them out, okay. These are some of the words, they are mixed up. Some verbs are there and some nouns are there. You just have to pick out the verb. Fine. Number 1 is bicycle. Is bicycle a verb? No, bicycle is a noun. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज के नाम को बोलते हैं ना. नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. सो बाइसिकल इज द नेम ऑफ अ थिंग, ठीक है. इट्स नॉट अ वर्ब. रीड, yes, read shows an action. Okay, this is a verb. Book is the name of a thing, so it is a noun. Tell shows an action, so this is a verb. Story, it's not a verb, it is a noun. Looks means देखना, ठीक है, so this is a verb. Funny is an adjective, it describes the quality. Funny cat, ठीक है. Cat is a noun. Fun is also a noun. Now plays shows an action. Okay, plays with child. Okay, this is child is a noun. Dog is also a noun. Runs shows an action. Around is an adverb. Here you don't have to go for the adverbs, anything like that, you just have to pick out the verbs. It's an article. Fine, you don't have to go with this. Also, take shows an action, so this is a verb. Glass, this is a noun. Drinks, yes, drinks is a verb. Eat also shows an action, so this is a verb. Food is a noun. Pie is actually, it's a small piece of something, ठीक है ना. तो this is also not a verb. Pasta जो खाते हैं, this is the name of a thing, so this is a noun. Cuts Cut shows an action, so this is a verb. Boys, boys are the nouns. Okay, grade 2, I've brought another activity for you. This activity again you don't have to do in any of the sheets or any of the notebook. You just have to do it orally. Fine. So these are action words over here. You have to write down, like you have to think on which which action verb will be coming along with the picture. Fine. Match the verbs in the word bank with the correct picture. Now number 1 is run, brush, skip, okay, eat, read and kick. Skip कहते हैं रस्सी कूदने को, ठीक है. Now number 1, you can see this picture. She's eating something, कुछ खाते हुए नजर आ रही है, so this is eat. Second one, you can see the boy is going to kick the ball, so this is here what will come, kick. ठीक है. In the third picture, what the boy is doing? Yes, he's brushing his teeth, so brush. Now rest of the 3 I'm leaving for you. Just have to think and then you have to attempt them into your mind and then sort out the answers. Fine. Okay, class. Okay, grade 2, I guess your concept of verbs must have been cleared into your mind. And now you people, watch this video twice or thrice, so your concept will be more cleared, and do a very good preparation for the exams. Till then, you people take a very good care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.